Hey guys, just woke up in the farm. Tuminong ko. And yeah, nakitira ako sa isang buding pamilya dito and they gladly accepted me kahit na hindi nila ako ganong kakilala and I'm beyond um I'm beyond thankful sa ginawa nilang yun. Dito ako nagkakape sa gilid. Here. Diba? Ganda. Ganda. Sabi ko gustong gusto ko dito because it's so fucking beautiful. People, the view, ano dito. That's all. That area. Ito. This one. Woo! Thank God. Thank the universe for allowing me to experience this. Of course, kahit na medyo makapal mukha ako, still have this social anxiety, overthinking things na ganito ganyan. Pero most of the time, wala rin naman nangyayari. Madalas, nasa utak ko lang, madalas, hindi naman siya nangyayari. Siguro yung pinaka-battle ko ngayon is, how can I, ano, how can I control or fight or maybe not fight, maybe kasi to live is the experience. Sayang naman kung hindi mo susulitin yung mga buhay na it's fucking simple. For me, it's already a luxury. Pinakain mami ng grocery. At maraming po salamat sa pagpapa-unlock niya sa akin. Kahit na may anxiety ako na to live and to experience this thing. It's quite, it's already a privilege. And thanks God for allowing me to experience this. Universe, for allowing me to experience such beauty. Comes. The world is too beautiful for you to not um, the world is too beautiful for you to not consume every bit of it, feel every wind, see every places. Allow yourself to succumb to the very existence of life. Here you go. Oh, because there's nothing really long. No. There's nothing really. Uh, have to do in this world is to savor every flavor, every experiences in life. Kasi I think it's the goal of the existence. The goal of the existence is to experience existence itself. Ay, magaya na madalas ako mag-overthink. I ignore possible situations na mangyayari because I have this broad mind. I explore infinite possibilities na mangyayari sa akin. Will I get murdered? Will I get stabbed in the back? Will I get etc. Will people hate me? Will people there are potential scenarios, but at the same time, if I allow myself to be just like that, if I allow myself to just succumb to the very thing that cages me, paano ko makukuha paano ko ma-experience yung mga bagay na gusto ko, paano ko ma-experience yung mga bagay na gusto kong gawin, paano ko makukuha yung mga goals na gusto ko if I'm allowing myself to be consumed by my own anxiety, overthinking, and di ko alam if they say follow your intuition, pero minsan mali-mali din intuition ko yun. Pero madalas tama siya. But at the same time, yung intuition ko napalitan ng overthinking. My thoughts are running wild actually. And I don't know. No words can express how beautiful things I'm experiencing right now. I hope the universe allow me to meet the very person I'm craving. I wish to meet this place. Kita. Nasalubong na tayo. I'm just shy talking to you. But I want you so much. More than anything. I want you so much. And I'm asking for the universe for us to meet again. Because I want to know what love is again and again and again. I want to know how to take care for the people that I love. I wish to know how to romantically and please I'm asking for the universe blessing for us to be organically. You know you're there. Kita ka tayo kagabi. And sana magkita ulit tayo. Damn. Cheers. Just to experience the ephemeral beauty of things which we call life. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, the place. I think the universe knows me. Okay? Hey yo, universe, alam mo ako, not entirely evil. I'm a bit evil though, but I'm not entirely evil. Alam mo na, I just want simple things in life. And alam mo na, ayoko talaga ng anxiety, ayoko ng depression. And yeah, I wanna fall for the beauty of life. again and again and again and again. Wish I'd live in that castle. For me, it looks like a castle. It's so beautiful. You know, like it's so for the universe. Thanks universe for the morning coffee. Thanks universe. Come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look and you'll see explanation. You'll begin with the spin, traveling my creation.